Is your plumbing system running smoothly? Discover how preventive maintenance can save you from costly repairs and emergencies. This guide will walk you through essential steps to keep your plumbing efficient and trouble-free. Regular inspections are key to preventing plumbing issues. Check for leaks in faucets, toilets, and pipes. Look for corrosion and water stains that signal hidden leaks. Ensure water pressure is between 40 and 80 psi. Regularly clear drains of hair, debris, and soap scum to maintain flow. Annual maintenance of your water heater is essential. Drain and flush to remove sediment and check for rust. Inspect washing machine hoses for wear and replace if needed. Test your sump pump by pouring water into the pit. Regularly check and refill your water softener's salt levels. Maintain gutters and downspouts to prevent water backups. Check outdoor faucets and insulate pipes to avoid freezing. Schedule regular septic system inspections and pumpings. Avoid flushing non-biodegradable items into the septic system. Protecting your outdoor plumbing is crucial, especially in cold weather. To detect leaks, add food coloring to your toilet tank. Wait 15 to 20 minutes without flushing. If the color appears in the bowl, a leak is present. Check the toilet flapper for proper sealing. This simple test can save water and prevent waste. We will cover: know the location of your shutoff valves for quick access. This is your first topic. Keep a plumbing emergency kit with essential tools. This is your second topic. Have contact details for licensed plumbers readily available. This is your third topic. Being prepared can minimize water damage during emergencies. Quick action is crucial to prevent extensive damage. By following these preventive maintenance steps, you can ensure a reliable plumbing system. Regular inspections and proper care prevent costly repairs and emergencies. Keep your plumbing running smoothly with consistent maintenance and preparedness.